Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your bonus love messages for the month of April. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. But let's see what are the messages for the month of April to my Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Okay, now let's start. What are the messages for my Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? What are the message? Owl spirit, porcupine spirit. You see clearly now. There is porcupine spirit. Okay. So there is owl spirit here. You see clearly now. Your intuitions are guiding you very well, Aquarius. So use your intuitions and listen to your intuitions, because your intuition is trying to tell you something, is guiding you, is helping you out. There is porcupine spirit, times for a beginner's mind. And why there is this message is here, because the next message is bad spirit, rebirth is assured. That means all things are ending up. You are going to start new things in life. Okay, new journey, new chapter of your life is going to start. A new cycle in your life, new work, new love, new career, maybe new home. New things are coming your way. Okay, a rebirth is assured. All things are going to end in your life which don't serve your highest good. There is sandpiper spirit. Be playful, Aquarius. Okay, be playful. Then there is ant spirit, time to collaborate. Okay, so collaborations are coming for you, and if they are coming for you, you have to collaborate with them. Okay, there is luck is on your side. A new romantic cycle begins. Have faith in your dreams. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, show the world real you. Adjustments are required. Confidence is the key to success. A time to give rather than to take. Too many messages. Too many messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a new start is coming for you. 0404 was the recording reading time. I told you. Okay, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. New things are coming for you in your romance also. A new romantic cycle is going to begin. A new start is going to begin for you, Aquarius. Luck is on your side. Okay, luck is on your side. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. New moon in Sagittarius. You need to have faith. Have faith in your dreams. Maybe you have to do some adjustments. Okay, adjustments are required, but keep faith in your dreams. Have faith in your dreams, and you need to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, step out of your comfort zone, do some adjustments, and have faith in your dreams. There is confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Okay, so confidence is the key to success. Is You have to keep your confidence with you, Aquarius. Keep your confidence. There is a time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo. So this is a time where you have to give more than to take from others. Then there is show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So show the world who is Aquarius, who is real Aquarius. So these are the message which I'm receiving from the Moonology deck. And the signs which you may be dealing with, okay, are Sagittarius, Libra, Leo, Virgo and Aquarius. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, or you are having these signs somewhere in your chart, okay. So Sagittarius, Libra, Leo, Virgo and Aquarius are the signs which I'm receiving here. So let's see. Thank you Moonology deck for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the numerology deck. Okay. Any other message for Aquarius? What a number, synchronicities 225588. Relationship is going to change for you, Aquarius. There is financial discipline, moderation. One more message. Follow your dreams again. Bottom of the deck I'm having love partnership. Love partnership is coming for you, Aquarius. There is a relationship change which is going to happen for you. Okay, can you see 5556? And there is a love relationship change which is coming for you. Okay, then there is intuition card here. See the owl spirit, you see clearly now. Use your intuition. Your intuition is very well active right now. Your third eye chakra is activated. So follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Maybe right now you are getting some kind of number synchronicities or some signs, but something is you are definitely seeing here synchronicities. There is personal growth and abundance which is coming for you, Aquarius. Lot of personal growth and abundance is coming for you here. Okay, there is adventure which is coming for you. New adventures are coming for you. Financial discipline is required for you. Okay, and try to eat healthy as much as you can. Moderation is here, so try to eat healthy and peaceful. There is follow your dreams again. So follow your dreams here, Aquarius. Trust in your dreams. That was the message here from the Moonology deck too. Have faith in your dreams. Follow your dreams, Aquarius. Have faith in your dreams. Follow your dreams. So that's the same message which I'm receiving here. Then there is surrender. You surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe, okay, because they have the best plans for you. So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. And the numbers which can be important for you are 568, 4, 5, 6, 8. 4, 5, 6 and 8. So these can be the numbers which can be important for you. 4, 5, 6 and 8. So these can be the important number for you. So now thank you so much Numerology deck for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Spell Casting Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow. New beginnings. See, beautiful new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Release your load, lighten your loads. New beginnings are coming for you. Keep your trust, have trust. Trust in the divine, surrender to the divine. That's why the surrender card was here again. Okay, surrender to the divine, trust to the divine, because they are bringing new beginnings for you, Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? Wow. Reconciliation. Wow. Many of you are going to reconcile here, Aquarius. Here I'm having 10 of Cups, the family card here. Okay. Can you see in these three pictures the empowerment? You rising as an emperor, empress. Emperor can be possible. Gender is not specific here. Sun energy is here in both of the pictures. Okay, so a lot of new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. There is freedom which is coming for you. Okay, see, again, luck is on your side. Good luck. Good luck is here. That was the message for you, that luck is on your side from this deck. Okay, good luck. Luck is on your side. See, so luck is on your side, that is for sure. The answers which you are looking are coming for you. Okay, the answers are coming for you. There are answers which you may be finding out. The answers are coming for you. Beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius, that I can say. Okay, let me see more messages. Any other message for Aquarius? Clarity. Yes, see, answers and clarity is coming for you. 1111 was the recording reading time. The clarity you required, the answer you required are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of April. Okay, there is manifestation, and bottom of the deck I'm having psychic abilities. Okay, so use your psychic abilities to manifest. You're doing your manifestation, your third eye chakra is activated here. Use your psychic abilities, do your manifestation, because right now whatever you are manifesting, that are going to complete here. Manifestation will complete for you. Okay, so manifestation and psychic abilities. There is some kind of closure which is coming for you, Aquarius, here. There is closure which is coming. Any other message? Too many. Keep your courage and your willpower with you, Aquarius. Keep your willpower and courage. Okay, there is career here, so opportunities in your career and new friendships are coming for you. Lot of light, I can see that in these all pictures. Beautiful, Aquarius. Lot of happiness, beautiful light, I can see that. So lot of light, lot of happiness, lot of positive big changes, I can say, that are coming for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. I hope it will resonate with you. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. See, the loving man and loving woman. And I have already uploaded your main reading. Your soulmate or your twin flame is coming for you, Aquarius. So you are dealing with your divine counterpart, okay? There is happy success. Can you see? Happy success is coming for you. This is very beautiful and very positive. Very positive. Because in your consciousness, you are happy and you are success. There are new supportive connections which are coming for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck I'm having travel. Many of you are going to do traveling here, okay? And if you are not traveling, that means that a new chapter of your life is going to start. But here I'm having travel. Many of you are going to travel here, Aquarius. Wow, ascended masters are with you, Aquarius. Beautiful and very powerful. You are not alone. You are having the blessings of the ascended masters here. Transformation is taking place for you. You're getting transformed. The cycle of transformation is taking place. Any other message for Aquarius? Friends and colleagues, they will help you out here. The friends and colleagues, the new supportive connection, the loving man and the loving woman, ascended masters. You are not alone at all, Aquarius. If you think that you are alone, that means you are not alone at all. Personal assistance is required, okay? Professional assistance is here. If you require any kind of professional assistance, Then there is a professional assistance. Bottom of the deck, I'm having deception and there is decrease. So there is someone who wants to give you deception, but there will not be happening. Okay, this deception is not going to happen because here I'm having decrease. So this energy is going to decrease in your life. Okay, you are going to receive great achievement in the month of April here, Aquarius, and you will discover something about yourself, about your life purpose, about your soul purpose. That can be a possibility. Okay, so discovery is here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see more messages. See, again the trust message is here. You need to trust the divine, trust the nature, trust the universe. They are coming with the beautiful things for you, Aquarius. You just need to keep your trust. Celebration, I can see. Choice, listening. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. See, new beginnings are coming for you. Maybe you have to make some kind of choice here, Aquarius. Use your power. You're becoming more powerful than before. You're getting your power back. Listen to the animals here, the birds, the animals. Maybe there is a message for you. They're trying to give you some kind of message. Okay, any other message? Union. Wow, you are going to get union. Pay gratitude for all those things which you are having in your life. You will receive the balance in your life here. Why the balance is coming for you? Because you are getting healed. Healing is coming for you. Lot of healing, balance, and the peace. These are things which are coming for you. Pay gratitude here, Aquarius, to the universe, to the divine, because all you are having everything what you required. Always have an attitude of ingratitude. Okay, there is union which is coming for you here. Can you see? So this is beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one or two message from the self-care card. Patience. Some kind of choice you have to make here, Aquarius. Okay, some kind of choice you have to make. See, from this both picture I can see there is a reconsider a commitment. You have right to change your mind. There is a choice which is coming for you. Okay, so reconsider a commitment. You have the right to change your mind. Okay, there is patience here. Be patient, be willing to pass up good for great. So keep your patience with you, Aquarius. There is pleasure. Do something just for fun. Pleasure is one of the life essential nutrients. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Don't replenish your power, Aquarius, and follow the golden rule. Trust your intuition and abundance is your right. See, same message. Let go of the ego and practice moderation. Let go of the ego. If you are having any kind of ego, let go of the ego. Okay, practice moderation. Try to eat healthy as much as you can. Abundance is your right and trust your intuition. See, again, abundance is your right and trust your intuition, Aquarius. Follow the golden rule here. Okay, whatever you will give, you will receive back here. And don't replenish your power. So these are the messages from your guides. Thank you, guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's add some message from the universe. Turn on your love light. That's the message I'm getting for you. So let's see what are the message. What are the message? Please give me, universe, the message for Aquarius. What are the message? Okay. Pucker up, buttercup, and yehas. Okay. When it comes to choosing who will be in your life, I recommend valuing yourself. That's the message I'm getting for you, Aquarius, from the universe. That value yourself first. Okay. So choose yourself first. So that's the message I'm having here. Then there is, most people are just trying to survive. Just remember, people are bullied by your charm or by your confidence and inspired by your choices. They simply forget to say thank you, please, and love, I love you, crazy, like crazy, as often as they feel the urge. Let's not one of those persons. Okay, thank you, please, I love you like crazy, the universe. So most people are just trying to survive here. So feel, have gratitude, Aquarius. 2121 is the recording reading time. You have got time here. Okay, so you have got time. You know what to do. Okay, so you know what to do, Aquarius. Enjoy your extraordinariness, uniqueness. Okay, so enjoy your extraordinariness and uniqueness. You will find what you seek. You will find what you seek. Convince yourself and not others. And that's right, you need to convince yourself, not others. Love in spite of it all. And there is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the law of attraction. Let's add one message. The law of attraction is my life basis. Law of attraction, since the law of attraction is the basis of your experience, and understanding of it is essential to living life on purpose. In fact, an understanding of the law of attraction is essential to living the life of joy that you can came forth to life. So beautiful message. Thank you. Let's add some affirmations from love and relationship. Boundaries. One more. There are three. Okay, one more. Compliments and boundaries. Okay, so I know how good it feels to get a compliment, so I give that gift to others. I will find a nice compliment for everyone I interact with today, even I think I have to think really hard about it, in which case I can follow up by complimenting myself by solving such a compliment puzzle. Wow, I'm skilled. So you need to compliment here, Aquarius, everyone you are dealing with, you are meeting with today here, and you have to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Boundaries is here. So I claim my right to set healthy boundaries, and I allow others to do the same. Sometimes personal space is taken and sometimes it's given. And sometimes if you are on subway, it's completely disregarded and shamelessly invaded. I guess it depends on the day. So you need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself and compliment others. That's the message I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from how to love yourself. How to love yourself. Please give me the message for Aquarius. One message. How to love yourself. Self-love. Okay. How to love yourself, Aquarius. Give me one message for Aquarius. For this reading, give me one message for Aquarius. I listen with love to my body messages. Same message. There is a message from your body. I take a nice deep breath and release all resistance to healing. So that's the message I'm having for you, Aquarius. So these were your messages, these were your bonus messages for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.